ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಹೈಟ್ ಮೆಜರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ದು ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ದು ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲೂನ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟು, ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್, ಭಾಳ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಂಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ನ ರಿಟ್ರೈವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾಡಲ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿದೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್. ಈ ಥರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
There were so many various models about robotic and also related to AI technology that was displayed. Our children has got the glimpse of the modern technology. Today what we see that modern technology, it is based on AI technology and as well as robots. So in the coming generation there will be lack of human resources. In that places AI technology and as well as robots will do the best. Our children has got really very good glimpse of the modern technology in the coming years, so they are going to learn lots of the things. I can say that our children who are here in Changiri, they are going to be equivalent to the students who are studying in international school that is in Bangalore. So hats off to the YuviPep team, so who have created wonderful opportunities for our children.
Our children in this exhibition, they have done wonderful job. Without prior knowledge of robotics, they have done excellently well, and the success behind this excellence should go to YuviPep and the team. They have guided the children very well. Students could recognize the components, and also they have learned the application of this robotics in their lives.
They got a very well experienced. The way how they presented the explanation, in fact, it surprised all the visitors that how the technology has improved. So many students have said that they are going to implement in their day-to-day life, and the experiments, in fact, it is the models, whatever the working models they prepared, the effort behind it to make them, and at the same time, so their working capacity really amazed everyone.
Really, we appreciate the team of YuviPep. Our school students, they are from 7th standard, 8th standard and 9th standard. They were exposed to this robotics first time. But then also, when I asked the experience of the students and also the parents, they appreciated very much, because now learning by doing, that concept we have in our school. So it is a right time for us that we introduce this robotics in our school. Children were exposed to all this at this lower level itself. So definitely, at least by the next 1 year, they may improvise it, and definitely they may become a very successful engineers in their lifetime. A big thanks to our management also, because they have given me the opportunity to introduce this academic year. So sincerely I thank each and everyone who are behind this.